Good morning, Beans. Good morning, girl. Did you have a good night? Good morning. Good morning, girl. Did you have a good night? Did you sit on your eggs all night? Is that what you did? You want to go let your friends out? Huh? Come on. Let's go let your friends out. All right. Here we go. Come on out this morning. Did y'all lay eggs last night? I don't see any. Oh, yes. They're so happy. They go straight over in the mornings to see the other chickens. So we'll go check on them. The other chickens are still in the brooder because they're a little bit young still. Good morning. Good morning, girls. There's my Silky. Good morning. Good morning, George. Good morning. Hello. Did you have a good night? You a good boy. Yes, he is a good boy. Good morning. Good morning. A sweet boy. Here you are. Just a good boy. Let's see your teeth this morning. How's your teeth look? How's your teeth look, huh? How's your teeth look? Good morning, girls. Good morning. Good morning. Come here, Petunia. Come here. Petunia. Good morning. Hello. Are you being an attention hog this morning? Good morning, Winnie.
Good morning, Winnie.
Good morning, Winnie. Good morning.
Good morning, Winnie.
You want to go outside and see the birds? Huh?
Yeah.
You want to go see the birds this morning?